Thank you. So I just received my note, and yeah, I'm going upstairs to pack it right now. This is so painful actually because I was recording without knowing that um like my mic was not working. So it's actually painful. So let me just explain what I was saying in this video. So at this point, I was explaining and talking about the three nodes that I also have in my house, which are the spider and the normal node for Wicrypt device. So also showing a video of myself talking about this particular node device last year. And if you are one of those that actually got this device last year and you followed through my step on how to set up this particular node, at least as at today or as at today, you should have about $2,000 to $3,000 in your wallet if you followed everything that I spoke about in the video I played in on my screen. So you can go to my YouTube channel and check that video on how to set up a Ycrypt device and make passive income. So they basically pay weekly though, but at least your money accumulates based on your usage daily, and you are making money just by making use of the internet. So I was just talking about the device, the first one I got before I now later got these other two devices, and these two devices has made me huge amount of money. And like I said, if you got just one of these devices, by as at now, you should have at least $2,000 to $3,000 in your wallet as of today. So that's it. Then later on, I showed the new device that I just got. So I just got another device. That device is actually why I made this video though. And this is the device in my hand right now. The device is a VPS. I remember this part. I didn't have anything to cut the nylon or the package of the device. So I went to go and take my kitchen knife. Okay, so what the device does is the device is a node and it's also a VPN. A VPN in which it's just like you getting your all these peer VPN and all those VPN online that you can use to change your location. I'm sure a lot of Yahoo boys knows how to or what this does. And probably if you are watching this video, it means probably you are high on tech as well, and or probably you want to improve your tech experience. So that's what this device does. This device is a VPS. It can change your location, and it's not like other VPS that you buy on your phone or you download on your phone, whereby they'll be asking you to pay monthly fee, or they'll be asking you to you'll be even if they didn't ask you for monthly fee, you'll be seeing like adverts popping up, and it's always very annoying. So this device change your location, like it can change your location, and this is a basic example of how it works. This device, let's assume I have this device, I've gotten this device, and you are in Canada, you bought this device as well. You have another friend in UK, that person bought this device as well. What this device does is that the three of you that are using the device are now like connected together. So far, you are making use of this device. The three of you are now connected together. So the person in Canada can decide to make use of the IP of the person in Nigeria, while the person in Nigeria can decide to make use of the IP of the person in UK. So it goes vice versa like that. You can decide to use anybody's IP. And I'm just trying to experiment the spider name of that device, because that device is Wicrypt Spider. That's the name. So right here, I'm unboxing it. I spoke about how the carton looks like and how to set it up. Now, another thing that this device does is that you can use this device to limit the numbers of adverts that will be popping up, probably when watching YouTube or when making use of applications on your phone. You can use this device to stop that advert from popping up. For adverts to keep popping up on your phone, you can stop it. Another thing you can use this particular device for is probably Netflix is cheaper in another country. You can switch to that country location and buy Netflix subscription using that country price. So those are the things that this device can do. This device is basically very an amazing device. I made this video like since the day I got it, but because it didn't have sound. I didn't even want to upload it again. I was just like, then it just came to my mind that okay, I can just do a voiceover on this particular video. So let me just brief you through what you should know about that Wicrypt device that I first showed you guys. The Wicrypt device costs about 400,000 right now, and you need to stake about $100 in order to start earning with the device. So that's basically it. I know you might also probably be thinking because you are sharing your IP is going to be dangerous, they'll know your location, blah blah blah. That is not what is happening. Is more technical than that. Is more technical than that. And trust me, the device is secure, is a very secure platform. And they've been making use of this device since around 2019. This device has been available since 2019, but a lot of people were very skeptical about it. And as time goes on, they've actually improved a lot on this device. They've improved a lot. There are a lot of things that are still coming in play with this device, and it's incredible. You can just go on YouTube and search for DPR and watch YouTube videos about this platform. Like it's mind blowing what they are doing, honestly. And this particular coin or crypto mining device is really going to go far. It's something that's worth buying, and the coin has a very good potential, or the crypto project has a very good potential. So I was just checking the whole paper and everything, so you can just know what is in the device and how to set it up. So guys, I'll be showing you my engine room, my small engine room. Although I actually think they shouldn't be there anymore. At least probably put them in a more cool environment. But yeah, these babies have actually done a lot for me. It made me cool money. But let me show you how to set up this new device that I just got. So yeah, let me set this baby up. So I don't even know how to put it on yet. But like I said, I think I said I'll be using the manual, but you know me. Using the manual is like stress. I shall know. All I need to do is to connect this, plug this to this to power it. I don't think there's on and off for this device, so I can't find any on and off. But okay, let's keep going. Then let me check for the inputs and output. I don't think it has input and output. I think it's going to detect it itself because this is showing right here. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let me plug this. I think I'm supposed to, because I want to connect it to the old internet that I'm using at home. So I think this should be plugged here where the output is supposed to be. So let me check the input, I mean. So this is the input. Let me plug this to the input. Yes. Then I plug the input, the main device, the main internet to this part, and let's see how that will go. Okay, so the two ports are now working cool. Okay. I think they are now communicating, and from there I can now decide to plug this. I think I'll be needing another charger for this device because okay, I can also do something like this. Then I plug this to this. I want to be using each device to charge the other device and so on. Okay, so I use this to plug this. Then I plug my spider device. Let me put it right here. Let me put that right here. Presently I'm not using this, and I'm not also using this at the moment. Yeah, this is a very good machine. This is a very good router machine. So From there, I would also be using this type C cord to plug this, so I can charge this using this device. So I'm using each device to charge the other device and so on. So where am I plugging this? This is coming from here. Okay, so I have to plug this to this, then this to this, and I think that is basically it. I think that is it. That is it. So let's see the baby run.